can property taxes actually affect your estate plan? Why, Megan? That's a beautiful question. My name is Megan Troick, and I'm with the law office of Bryan Fagan, where we help people every day with their estate plan, and most importantly, to save money by not having to pay unnecessary taxes. How does property tax actually come into your estate plan? Well, let's think about it. You as the person who has the assets, you bought the property at $100,000 and now it's worth $1 million. You are now at the age where you're saying, little Johnny has been so good. I would love for him to have this $1 million piece of property. Well, I'm going to give this property to little Johnny right now. Don't you see he deserves it? And if I were little Johnny, I would say no. Please don't give it to me now. Leave it to me, one, in your will, in your trust, or give me a transfer on death deed. Because by doing your estate plan in this way, when that property goes to Johnny, he takes it at $1 million. He actually gets the step up in basis from the 100,000 to the million. And therefore, if he sells the property right when you give it to him, guess how much taxes little Johnny will pay? Yes, my friend. But what if you gave it to him while you were alive? Johnny will have to pay taxes on $900,000. I know. I wouldn't want that if I were Johnny, but pay taxes on $900,000 and not getting the property at all, I'm sure he would choose it. But if you were going to give it to him anyway, wouldn't you want him to save on taxes? Of course you do. Another thing that you should always consider when it comes to taxes and your estate, think about homestead exemption, over 75, over 65 exemptions, your veterans exemptions, and so forth. When you transfer the property to Johnny now because you want him to have it, but you want to live in the house, guess what? You could be transferring your right to get your over 65 exemption, or your homestead exemption, or your disability exemption, and so forth. So you want to be very careful when it comes to taxes, whether it's property taxes or whether it's income taxes, when it comes to your estate plan. Therefore, please speak to a professional who actually knows what they're talking about, who actually knows how to do estate planning when it comes to taxes and your property. Because for many of us, our home is the most expensive thing we own. Thank you.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.